Erokamano Jojuma elipot mar more ni Jofwambo mag kambi mar All Media Services oyudo loch e piem mag Jofwambo ma pacho ka. Ne gin mich mopogore mag AJEA. Higa ka higa duol matayo tije Fwambo Media Council of Kenya bago ga nyasi mar puo Jofwambo kuom tich makare magitimo kaluwore gi sigana magitimo. Odiochieng' manyore magawa mar Safari Park nyasi mar chiwo mich ne Jofwambo morieny ne obagi. Jofwambo mag RMS kamoting'o mag Ramogi TV, Citizen TV kod Inoro ne yudo mich okombe kod oboke mag yango tijgi. E rang'iny mar tij fwambo weche mag lony manyasani kod rieko manyasani, Cleophas Olwoch mar Ramogi TV ne yudo mich mar TV, Kamerian Nyambura mar Citizen TV ne yudo mich e kidieny mar mbui. Mich mar yango tich fwambo kuom higni malach ne odhi ne Fred Obachi Machoka mar Radio Citizen. Jogo piche sigana ariyogi mag kambi Royal Media Services ne oting'o Keri Mulindi matiyo alwora ma Siaya kod Evans Asiba Manakuru e nyasino. Wende modhial ne Speaker mar od bura Moses Wetangula mabende ne osingo ni ratiro mar Jofwambo ibiro riti.
With our lifetime.
Despite all the challenges journalists faced the previous year, campaigning and all that, we still had to pause and write stories on the environment, stories on governance, press freedom and all that. It means that there was a lot of sacrifice to get that done because it was an election year, but we still got the highest number of entries. So we really appreciate that finest work of journalism and that sacrifice.
Also want to assure you, Bwana Moyo and your team and the great media people of Kenya, that the parliament that I preside over will do everything within the law, will pass any law that you may propose through your representatives or directly by yourselves because the Constitution allows you to do so, to enhance media protection, to enhance media freedom, and to protect journalists from any form of harassment from either state or non-state actors, so that you can be able to do your work without any fear or favor or prejudice to anybody. So I give you an open invitation, Bwana Moyo, Madam President. These MPs I've come with are very active young politicians. Naisula here is one of you. If you want to engineer any legal framework to enhance your work, to enhance your protection, to enhance your visibility, to enhance anything to do with making you work better, Parliament will do it for you without any hesitation.